Alright, so I'm hanging out with David today. David, say what's up.
What's up?
Anyways, he's about to cook some bomb-ass pasta. So I thought, you know, it'd be kind of fun to try and shoot some B-roll footage of the pasta, so see how it goes. So now we gotta taste test it. Oh, damn.
Damn, that's actually really good.
Oh my goodness.
Just for the camera, you know, it actually sucks.
Yeah, literally. No, it's actually fire.
That's crazy.
Oh, you did put spice in this.
Barely.
A tiny bit.
Barely. I'm white, dude. Alright, what are we rating this? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I could have added more red wine. The salt was on point.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll give it a 9.
Okay.
I'm pretty proud of this.
Jesse?
The spices are good. The chicken's fire. I'm going with a 9 as well.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Now, this is nothing against you, David, but
It's fine, you eat at Michelin star restaurants every day.
no, I just rate hard because 10 is perfect.
Oh yeah.
So 9's got to be like 9 is what I consider a Michelin star. I want to rate this like I want to say like a 7.8, 7.8. Yeah. Like this is something where I could see this at a 5-star restaurant, 100%.
Not bad.
So like,
You want more, Jesse?
I'm full, but thank you.
Incorrect. You are Jesse, but you're welcome.
all right. Anyways, guys, shout out to David for making this meal. As you can see, I enjoyed it. So did
Manukian
Jesse.
cooks.
He does.
Manukian cooks.
Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the B-roll.
Hire me.
Yeah, he needs money. He needs money, so hire him.
He needs it.
Yeah, but yeah,
Sir, appreciate
we'll
it.
see if anything else comes up like this on the channel, and if so, enjoy it. Anyways, have a good one.
Peace.